Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen today. Today, y'all, it is a little chilly outside and we're expecting some really bad weather, supposedly.
Ice apocalypse.
Yes, that's what we're expecting. And so I thought I would make us up some good old soup. Now, this is an old throwback. Honey, I used to eat this all the time when I was on Weight Watchers. I used to call it the fat soup. But it's supposed to make you lose weight. But anyway, we're gonna put some hamburger in ours and give it some good flavor and stuff though. But pretty simple ingredients. And we've just got some bell pepper and onion here. I done got it all chopped up in my little chopper. And I just made some beef broth with some base, with some bouillon. I got it right here. And I can warm it up a little bit and all those little things will go. But some tomatoes, some beans, just some more protein, garlic, hamburger, and cabbage. Just that simple.
Simple ingredients.
Simple. I was saying earlier, I remember eating this at Shoney's on their little buffet. I don't know if y'all remember that. If y'all remember that, do tell me. But it used to be really, really good. So I'm going to get this little soup going because it's got to just simmer for just a little bit. So let's get it together, Russell. All right, y'all got my little pot here just scorching hot. Hopefully. Oh yeah, she's ready. Get this out the way. All right, so I've got 1 pound of just ground beef, hamburger, whatever. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this down a little bit because it's too hot. And I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables in with this hamburger while it's cooking. And I've got just maybe a half of bell pepper and I've got a whole onion. You can add celery to this. You can add carrots to this, whatever you want to. It's your pot of soup, honey. You do it the way you want it. But I'm just going to brown this up. Go ahead and give it just a little bit of season. I'll add some garlic in a minute, but I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. And I'm just going to take the top off, about a teaspoon of that. And let's see, about a teaspoon of onion powder. Y'all know I always use both the real thing and the dried powder because it just gives different flavors. Got a little onions and all this goodness in here. It was starting to stick on the bottom. You see that? Mm-hmm. It's all right though, because all them little bits and pieces down there, when I pour that broth in,
she's gonna break loose.
All that, yes, all that's flavor, honey. That's flavor down there. Ain't nothing more comforting than a big old bowl of soup, is
especially when it's gonna be ice apocalypse.
Chilly, yes. Y'all went to the grocery store today. Not a loaf of bread is on the shelves. And I know I've talked to one of my friends, Miss Karen. She just laughed and laughed because, they get snow and stuff all the time. But here in the South, honey, we ain't ready. We ain't built like that. But everything's missing in the store.
And these weathermen,
crazy.
They love it. They do. I think they in cahoots with the grocery people and the propane people.
Got black
and
pepper.
Lowe's and Home Depot.
All the things.
And to sell everything they can possibly sell.
Salt and pepper, y'all. Just a little.
To scare people to go out and spend thousands of dollars on stuff.
Somebody had bought a generator, and I seen it posted. They're like $20,000 first person. And somebody had bought some bread, and she's like $100 for whoever. The starting bid's $100. I said, good Lord, I get in my kitchen and make me some first, or we'll eat biscuits, or we'll eat no bread. How about that?
That's right. No carbs. How about that?
We have some food in the freezer, and we got a grill and a smoker, and we will be just fine. We will survive. Yeah. I ain't getting out there fighting the crowds, honey. I ain't going to do it.
It's going to be 44 degrees Monday.
Yeah, so
I don't understand it. I don't
we
understand
don't
ice
get it.
apocalypse. I don't know. We may be iced in for a month and a half, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Now I will say every time it ices up, we lose power. We really do.
We planning on probably if the power goes out,
Well,
we'll manage.
do something.
We'll go do something. Yeah.
Yes, goodness, we'll figure it out.
But normally, if the power goes out, people have to go do something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Yeah, we got to have our little CPAP machines, y'all. We can't sleep.
That's right.
We can't sleep without them suckers.
That's right.
Oh my goodness. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add that garlic. I'm just going to put like a big old heaping tablespoon in there. This is just getting all these little flavors together. I'm telling you, I love cabbage any kind of way you make it. And
that's going to have some flavor in it.
It is. It's smelling good, ain't it?
It's looking good. Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just going to let this brown up a little bit, and it's already getting there. And my hamburger meat was the lean. It was on the leaner side. So I think I'm just going to leave that little bit of goodness in there for some flavor. So I'm going to turn this back up, and we're going to go ahead and start dumping our little stuff in there. I got my little cabbage. Now this is a whole head of cabbage. You can get a small cabbage. You can do a half a cabbage, however much you think you want in yours. I got me some tomatoes, stewed tomatoes here. And we just gonna start dumping in, splashing it on. So crushed tomatoes, and you can also use the ones with like the Rotel with the chilies or whatever in it, but I opted for just this because this is how we always made it. I'm gonna get all this little goodness up out of there. We're gonna dump our little red beans in there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna drain them. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there just like so. And we're gonna put our cabbage in here. Give that a little stir. It's looking like chili or something, ain't it?
It does right now.
But we about to make a change. And y'all know cabbage cooks down a little bit too, so you can put more in there. But cabbage is really, really.
It's gonna grab all that flavor too. I can't wait.
I love.
I've been wanting some cabbage for a while.
Yeah, how about that?
Yeah.
Look at there. All right, now I've got 4 cups of beef broth here. Let's just see where we're at. If we need more, honey, we'll. There's more where that came from. It covered it, so I think I'm gonna finish putting the rest of that cabbage in there. What say you, Russell?
Sounds good to me. More cabbage is not gonna hurt my feelings.
All right. We just don't want it to be nothing but cabbage. Put a little bit more, honey. I can fry this little cabbage up with some onion and some bacon.
Yeah, that don't sound bad either.
I love some good old fried cabbage.
Man.
Love it. All right, now I'm gonna see where we're at. I'm gonna taste it, and let's see. Let me get me a little spoon here. This is the garlic spoon. See if it needs something. And we're going to just let this simmer and do, honey. Just let it do and become its best self. That's good. Don't need no salt. I'm going to put a little more pepper in it. But it's tasting good. All right, we're going to just cover this up and let her go.
Let it get happy.
Let it get happy, honey. And we'll come back when it's all ready. All right, y'all, it's ready. It's piping hot. She simmered for about 25-30 minutes. I didn't really time it. Got some little crusty bread here, and I did end up adding another can of the beans, and about a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah.
So that's that's the only thing. And it's hot. He's going in. He's hungry.
It's fantastic.
What you think?
I love it. Man, can't get no better on a day like today.
No, you can't. You got that extra protein with them beans in there.
It's got great flavor.
Good. And that beef broth and
it's
hamburger meat.
Popping with flavor.
I used to eat it, like I said, on the diet without the meat, and it was delicious.
Really hearty.
Remember, we used to have it with a taco powder. We called it taco soup, cabbage taco soup, and it was good too. It was really good. So you can change it up however which way you want. But
little bread, y'all.
Got a little bread, little garlic bread, and you could really go Italian. You can put Italian seasoning in it, taco seasoning, whatever way you want to go. But it's good just like this.
Yeah, that bowl finna get got.
Yes, I'm hungry too.
It's good to get gone in a hurry.
Yes. But anyway, this is our cabbage beef soup.
Yeah.
I guess you'd call it. But anyway, do you remember eating it at Shoney's or no?
No, I don't
You didn't
remember.
do
I remember
Shoney's
us
too
eating a
much?
lot of it when we were doing like Weight Watchers and
Yeah,
stuff
we
like
really
that.
did that,
Yeah, with taco
but-
seasoning. It's very good with that
It
in
was
it.
good. And yeah, it was good stuff.
Very hearty,
Still
very
good.
filling. It's perfect for a wintertime type
Yes.
meal. And yeah.
I know I'm weird. I love pimento cheese sandwiches I like a cold pimento cheese sandwich and I dip it in this hot soup. That's just me. I'm odd. But I've always done it. My vegetable beef soup, all kind of stuff. But it's good. Don't knock it till you try it.
Yeah.
But anyway, good stuff, y'all. Give it a whirl.
Yeah, we ready for ice apocalypse.
We ready?
Yep. Got some hot soup today.
We don't have no loaves of bread.
Nope. No
No
milk.
milk.
No loaves of bread.
But I think we're going to be all right.
Yeah. Yep.
By the time y'all see this, we'll
It will
be just fine.
It will be come and gone.
Yes.
And yeah, I hope that we survive it okay.
I hope that y'all do as well.
I hope everyone out there does as well. And yeah, we're not running out and buying generators and propanes and all that. We're just gonna hunker down with our little doggy. Speaking of which, Miss Karen.
Oh, yes.
Thank you, Miss Karen, again.
Sweet
Such a
Miss
sweet.
Karen.
Miss Karen, we love you.
Y'all,
we really
our
do.
little doggy, she had to have she had some tumors, some little mammary tumors, and she had a big old surgery. I mean, a big surgery.
It was a very in-depth surgery.
Yes. But anyway, Miss Karen was so sweet. She sent us a little card from her dog. We just got the biggest kick out of that.
It was awesome.
It was. But anyway.
Yeah. So our little puppy's
Our
on the
little
mend,
pooch.
and she's just laying up, and we've been loving on her, and yeah. So
Yeah, hopefully she'll do well.
yeah, she's been doing good. She's just been laying up and
She's been
taking it
pain.
easy, but she's been in pain. It was a very, very in-depth surgery. So
Yeah,
hopefully
y'all
she'll
say a
get
little
better.
prayer
Say a
for-
little prayer for our Renfro.
For our little Renfro,
Yep.
our little Rennie girl.
Yep.
But anyway.
We hope y'all have a wonderful weekend and hunker down if the weather's bad where you at. Fix you a bowl of this wonderful soup.
Get you some soup.
Yeah,
sugar.
be warm your belly, give your
Yes.
belly a nice hug. And we appreciate all of y'all.
Yes, and until next time.
Peace!